Hey guys, so today we're going to work on the value scale page. Now value is just how light or dark something is. And you're going to practice. There's an example right up here of a value scale. You can see that there's really dark darks and it goes all the way down to some really light lights to white. So you're going to practice down here, and I suggest using a pencil, but a crayon would also work, or a colored pencil would also work. And you're going to start by coloring really, really dark, and then you're going to let up and get lighter and lighter and lighter until you fade to white. Now you can also blend this by using one finger and just pressing down with your finger to kind of blend those all together. Once you've practiced making the scale, you're going to come down here and practice on a sphere, because the point of being able to use value is to make something look more realistic, like there's different tones in it and that there's a shadow. And I just know over here that you can shade with dots and lines. You don't have to practice that right now, but good things to know. But you're just going to use the sphere on the bottom and practice making those different tones. Don't just use the same color gray. Make sure there's a difference between your really dark darks and your lighters and your really white whites. Then you can go ahead and make a shadow as well. If you want to use a finger to blend that, go for it. All right, if you have any questions, feel free to email me, but I can't wait to see what you come up with.